Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in today's video, we will understand how to set up Webhook inside Google Sheets. So Webhook acts as a bridge to connect applications and it helps to deliver the data to other applications as an event happens. So in this video, I'm going to tell you step by step that how you can set up a Webhook inside Google Sheets and send the data to Pabbly Connect. So now in order to do that, here I will go to my trigger window and over here I'm going to search for Google Sheets as my trigger application. Here it is. And the trigger event will be new or updated spreadsheet row. So this trigger will start working whenever a new row will be added or updated in a spreadsheet. So as I've selected my trigger application and the trigger event, here you can see that a webhook URL is given and along with that a help desk is given. So read this help desk given below carefully because this webhook URL is going to act as a bridge to connect our Google Sheets with Pabbly Connect. So now in order to build a connection, I'm going to take you to my Google Sheet. So this here is my Google Sheet by the name of Facebook post content. It consists only of two columns, that is of title, image, link and of one sheet. So here my objective is that whenever in this Google Sheet in a new row I'm going to add the post details, then those post details should be sent to Pabbly Connect. So now in order to set up a connection, I need to go to extensions and in extensions, I need to go to Pabbly Connect Webhooks. So if you don't have this extension, you can simply go to add-ons and then go to get add-ons. And over here in Google Workspace Marketplace, you just have to search for Pabbly Connect Webhooks. So as you can see that I have already installed this extension. So it says installed. You also have to follow the same process to install it. It is a very important part to have this extension in order to build the connection. So as it is installed, I'm going to close it. So I will go to extensions, go to Pabbly Connect Webhooks and now I will go to initial setup. So now here in this initial setup, it says the webhook URL will be set up on the below selected sheet. So here the sheet is sheet 1, so it is selected over here. Now moving to the webhook URL. So from Pabbly Connect, I'm going to copy the webhook URL and over here in this webhook URL field, I'm going to paste it. Now moving to the trigger column. So the trigger column will be a final data column on which if the data is added, the whole of that row data will be sent to Pabbly Connect. So here B is my final data column. So that means B will be my trigger column. So once I've mentioned the webhook URL and the trigger column, so here I'm going to click on submit. And it says setup configured successfully. So as the setup is configured successfully, I will again go to extensions, go to Pabbly Connect Webhooks and now I will go to send on event. So by clicking on send on event, I'm going to make sure that whenever in this Google Sheet in a new row, I'm going to add the post details. So automatically those post details will be sent to Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to click on send on event. So once it is done, it is an important step to refresh it. And I've refreshed this Google Sheet and now in a new row, I'm going to add the title and the image link. So this here is the title that goes as Trending Fashion Accessories for 2024 and this over here is the image. Let me show you the image. So this here is the image. So as in this Google Sheet in a new row, I have mentioned the post details. So these details would have been captured in Pabbly Connect. So taking you to Pabbly Connect. So here in Pabbly Connect, you can see that I have received the response and here in the response, you can see this here is the trigger column. Here is the title. This here is the spreadsheet name, spreadsheet ID, sheet name, sheet ID, row index and this here is the image link. So here in Pabbly Connect, the post details which I've entered in my Google Sheets in a new row, the details are successfully captured over here. So as in the response, I've successfully got the details. So the first objective of this automation is setup. That means now whenever in my Google Sheets in a new row, I'm going to add the post details, then automatically those details will get captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So this trigger will instantly capture the new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. So that means we have successfully set up the webhook inside Google Sheets. So as I've got the post details over here, so now by using these details, I wish to create a post on my Facebook page. So in order to do that in this action window, I'm going to search for Facebook pages as my action application and over here it is. And the action event will be to create page post. So it will create a new post on my page. So now in order to connect my Facebook pages with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on connect. And now to add a new connection, I just have to click on connect with Facebook pages because in one of the tabs, I've already opened my Facebook page. So here in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to click on connect and the authorization was successful. So here you can see that Facebook pages and Pabbly Connect is successfully connected. So now moving to the page part. So this here is my Facebook page that I've created by the name of Divine Glamour. So in this Facebook page, I want to create a new post. So in order to do that, over here in Pabbly Connect, from this page drop down, I'm going to search for my page as Divine Glamour. And now moving to the message. So that means over here I need to mention the caption for the post. So in order to mention that, I'm going to use a method that is called as mapping. So basically mapping means to insert the data from previous step. So as I've received these details from the response from Google Sheets, so here in these fields I have mapped it. So this method of mapping is important so that every time you're going to receive a new response, so that response could be taken into consideration in these fields. If I would have written this information manually, in that case this information could have become static, which means that it wouldn't change even if I would have received a new response. So to avoid that problem, we map the information. So as I've mapped the details in these fields, I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request. And here you can see that I have received the response, and this here is a positive response. So now I'm going to take you to my Facebook page. And here on my Facebook page, you can see that a new Facebook page is just now created. So over here, you can see the title, and this here is the image. So that means we have set up the webhook inside Google Sheets successfully. So here my objective was that whenever in a Google Sheet, in a new row, I'm going to add the post details, then automatically that post should be created on my Facebook page. So we have set up the webhook inside Google Sheets so that the data could be sent to Pabbly Connect, and further on by using those details, a post should be created on my Facebook page. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you have any doubts regarding Pabbly, reach us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can visit us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related query, you can visit this link. So if you like this video, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.